Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to put together today a short video. I know I've put a few on creating a report and adding it to your dashboard, and I may have touched on creating a dashboard, but I wanted to actually go ahead and create one, create a report video on creating a dashboard so that way you can see the process that I go through and see if it works for you. So here we go. So from your main filter navigator, you're immediately going to see if your applications are expanded, you're immediately going to see self-service uh, dashboards. So if you click on dashboards, or if you type it in your filter navigator, either way, you'll see dashboards come up. And here you'll see a couple different tabs. Some maybe the recent ones that you may have looked at, some that you own will populate here, some that have been shared with you that others may have created but shared it with you. And then here you can see basically all the dashboards on it. So what we're going to do is go ahead and we're going to go ahead and click on the create a dashboard button. And once that record comes up, you want to go ahead and name it, give it a name and start populating some of the fields. So for this here, we're going to create a name and just call it, just picking a name here, my video dashboard. I'm going to give somebody a name. Well, for now, you can name it, make the owner. If you're creating it for someone, you can, choose the owner from your user table on there, but I'll leave it at system administrator. You can restrict the dashboard to rows on this. Only certain rows can see it. But again, we're not going to do that for the video. We're just going to go ahead and uh, give it a name and then keep going on. So we're going to hit submit here. And once you click submit and your screen refreshes, you now have a dashboard created on it. So this is your dashboard. So now how do we edit the dashboard and add widgets? So to edit your dashboard, you're going to see the plus symbol here. What you want to do is you want to click on that guy. And once you click on that, you're going to see the ability to, uh, you're going to see the widgets section basically. You're going to have the ability to pick the desired widget category, which could be favorites, or you can click reports, performance analytics, interactive filters. So as you go down the line, you'll see that there's different categories that you can choose from. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose from reports, and that will open up a blank widget category that you can go ahead and uh, further choose from. So if we choose, let's say weekly reports, I'll just start right at the top, weekly report of open incidents. I can go ahead and click on that. It will give me a preview of that report, but then I can go ahead and add it to my dashboard by clicking add. So once that is done, you can now see that I have a dashboard in it with uh, my reporting added to it. Um, now let's say I want some users so to be able to see that. So there's two things that have to happen here. So you want to share your dashboard with whoever you want them uh, to see, whoever you want to see this dashboard on this. So here you can choose groups or users or roles. On there, I'm going to choose, let's just say the software team. So I choose the software team, and this will send an invitation to that group so that they can know that they are now able to see this dashboard. And once I click share, that dashboard is now um, shared with that group on it. So if we close this out, so let's say I want to change the dashboard name. So we have our little hamburger here that we can basically click on, and you're going to see a drop down of different options. So you can actually duplicate this dashboard, or you can copy the dashboard URL on there, in case you need to email it to someone. Um, you do have dashboard properties that gives you some information on this. So let's click on that. Yeah, takes a minute. Again, lets you see the initial screen where we were at when we first began creating the dashboard. It shows you the name of the dashboard. And then you have a breakdown source on here, and you have your dashboard tabs. Now we only have the main tab, so you're only going to see this one tab. Now I can add a new tab from here if I wanted to, so I can, call it whatever. I can search for a tab and add it to it. So let's do this here, and I can hit submit on it. And now we have two tabs listed. If we go back to our dashboard, we should see the tab added there as well. I can rename this tab. So there's two. I can just click here and rename that. I'll click the pencil, rename that on there, right? So I could do that. Or again, I could come into the dashboard properties and do the same thing on there. If this is your favorite dashboard, you can create a favorite from it from here as well, or you can go ahead and create a favorite by clicking here, and you can make it a top level location. You can change colors on it, so that way it is saved for you in your favorites, and then when you come here, you can see that on there. And here's your video dashboard on it. So um, there's a lot of different things that we tend to uh, advise our users instead of creating uh, scheduled reports. We tend to walk them through creating a dashboard and putting the reporting here. You can still right mouse click in in the blank spaces and see different things on the drop down. You can right mouse click in the header column, the blank space. You can export to any of these fields. So you still have the ability to create many different things from your reporting dashboard. Okay, so I hope you find this helpful. Please subscribe, leave some comments, a thumbs up on there, as this is a learning for all of us. So I know you guys have knowledge to share. So please go ahead and share as well. Thank you, and you have a wonderful day.